Welcome. Today I'm going to show you a short sequence to help open up your shoulders, and I hope you enjoy it. So start by coming to a comfortable seat. You can elevate your sit bones on a block or a blanket. Just come to simple cross-legged Sukhasana. Spine tall, shoulders back. Relax the body. Gently close the eyes and start to notice the breath. Connect with the breath. Just observe it exactly as it is. The breath is one of the primary focuses of a yoga practice, and I want to encourage you to stay connected and present with your breath throughout this entire series. So let's start by opening up, inhaling, opening the arms up, cactus the arms to 90 degrees, open the chest, shoulder blades come together. Exhale, bring the forearms together, chin to the chest, round the spine. It's like Sukhasana cat-cow movements. Inhaling, open the arms. Exhale, round the spine, chin to chest. Inhale, open the arms. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Move with the rhythm of your own breathing. The breath initiates the movement. Always follow the breath. Go ahead and finish your last breath. Lower the hands. And take the fingers, interlace, and bring the palms straight out in front of you. And lift these arms up overhead, bringing the biceps right next to the ears. Really stretch the palms upward. Breathe. Exhale, roll these arms back down in front of you and lower. Garudasana arms, eagle arms. So we'll take both hands, palms down, straight in front of us. Cross the right over the left. Twist at the elbows. And then bring this right palm into the left palm. Inhale, lift this up. Exhale, draw this over to the left side, opening up this right shoulder here. So if this is too much for you, we can also just cross, come back here, cross right over left. And just lift this left hand towards the face and draw this over to the left side. Just make sure whenever we're doing this or eagle arms, that we're keeping the chest pointed straight ahead, and breathe. Nice. Exhale, release. Unwind from the twist. Hands come back out. Cross left over right. Twist at the elbows and bring the palms facing one another. If that's too much, just bring this over to the right side. Right palm facing the face. Inhale, rise. Exhale, rotate this over to the right side, keeping the chest pointed straight ahead. And breathe. Stay with the breath. Nice. Exhale, release. Shake the arms out a little bit. Now let's come on to hands and knees. Tabletop position. Moving into some cat-cow movements. Inhale, looking up. Drop the belly, tailbone out. Exhale, round the spine, chin to the chest, tuck the tailbone underneath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Move with your breath. Maybe in a neutral spine. Inhale, press the right hand into the floor, float the left arm up. Exhale, bring the left hand behind the right wrist, palm facing up, and lower the left shoulder to the floor. You can rest the face on the floor, the cheek on the floor. You might even crawl the right fingertips forward if you wish. And breathe. Inhale, float the left arm back up into the sky. Exhale, release. Other side. Inhale, float the right arm up. Exhale, bring the right arm behind the left wrist. Drop the right shoulder to the floor. Twist from the base of the spine. You might walk the left fingertips forward if that feels good. And breathe. Inhale, float the right arm up into the sky. And exhale, float the arm back down. Now child's pose, Balasana. Bring the knees wide, toes together. Sit the hips back on the feet and bring the hands forward. Resting the forehead on the mat. Just really sink in. Think of an intention for your practice. What is it that you wish to be? How do you wish to walk in the world? What do you want to cultivate more of in your life? Inhale, raise the hips up, come back to a tabletop, and we're going to lower down to the floor into a puppy pose. So our hips are going to stay above the knees. We're going to walk the hands forward slowly, bring the chest and the chin down towards the mat. It's a really deep shoulder opener. Breathe. After about 5 breaths, crawl ourselves back up, come back to a tabletop. And now shift the weight into the right hand and the left knee, and we're going to lift the right leg and bring the left hand back to meet it at the ankle. Grab onto the inside of the ankle and press the foot into the hand to open up the shoulder. And breathe. Half bow. Try to keep the hips parallel to the floor. Open up the chest. Keep the face relaxed. Look up, but don't strain. Nice. Exhale, release. Lower back down. Shift the weight into the right knee, left hand. Raise the left knee off the floor. Reach the right hand around to grab the inside of the ankle. Press the foot into the hand to open up the shoulder, creating a bend in the thoracic spine. And breathe, relax. Exhale, release. Nice. So now, Gomu Mukhasana, cow face pose. Very challenging posture. So you'll probably want a block for this and a strap. And we'll start in tabletop. And we can bring the right knee in front of the left knee and swing the ankles out. Spread the ankles apart. Take the block and place it behind the hips. You can sit down onto it. This here is a deep hip opener. Then we can take our strap, bring it behind us. Let's take it in the right hand. Reach the left hand behind. Grab onto the other side of the strap. Just crawl your fingers up the strap until your left and right hand are almost touching. You can leverage your head against your upper elbow to sort of open up that shoulder a little more. And breathe, breathe, breathe. Very nice. Now I'm going to show you this to the other side. I'll show it to you from behind so you can see a little better. So from a tabletop, this time crossing the left over the right. Bring the ankles apart. And then we'll sit the block down underneath. Take the strap in the left hand, lift the left hand up, and grab onto the lower end of the strap in the right hand. And just walk the fingers back towards one another. Press the back of the head into the upper elbow to open up the shoulder. And breathe. About 5 breaths, release, come forward, move the block and strap aside. And from a tabletop, press up into downward facing dog, and then walk feet forward all the way up into standing. Hands come up, hands touch, and exhale, release. So with the feet hip width apart, interlace the fingers behind the back and draw this interlace down past the sacrum and lower back towards the floor. Bring the shoulders down and the chest up. Maybe jump the chin back slightly and look up and breathe into your heart, open up your chest. And exhale, fold forward, hinging at the hips. And let this interlace open up the shoulders. Let the shoulders come forward. release. Inhale, arms come up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, look up. Exhale, plant the hands, step back into a plank. Lower down, chaturanga. And stay on the floor here. Feet together. Bring the palms right next to the chest. Squeeze the elbows into the rib cage. Cobra, Bhujangasana. First lifting with the back muscles, and then pressing the hands into the floor. Opening the shoulders. Open the chest, bring the shoulders back. Breathe. Nice. Exhale, lower down. And now, come to a Sphinx pose with the elbows underneath the shoulders, palms out in front. And then bring the hands to the side now. And just crawl the left fingertips out to the right. Right fingertips out to the left. Do a little shoulder crisscross. And then we can hook the chin on the lower shoulder here. And just take a few breaths. And crawl the hands back. Switch. So now the left arm is in front, the right arm is behind. And crawl the fingertips in either direction. And then lower down and hook the chin around the arm and breathe. Nice. Inhale, walk the fingertips back. Now, let me show you this. So, take the right arm at 45 and support with the left hand. And we're just gonna bend the right knee, or bend the left knee, and just roll over the back a little bit. So we're pressing into the left hand and just pressing only as much as is comfortable. And we can modify the angle that our right arm is at to adjust this stretch accordingly. It should open up the right pectoral muscle, the right side of that chest. Nice. After 5 breaths, let's do the other side. So bring the left arm out to about 45 degrees. Take the right palm into the floor. And just bending the right knee, roll it over. Oh, wow, that's tight. Maybe adjusting the angle, whatever feels good. I'm going to bring this back a little bit. Breathe. One more for you. Extend the right arm out to the side, palm facing up. All right, so roll the forearm forward, palm facing up. And now we're going to bend the knee and bring this left hand over and actually grab on to the other hand and interlace the fingers. And breathe here. Nice. Unroll from that. And do the other side. Roll the left arm forward, palm facing up. Bend the right knee, roll it over the body. And swing the right arm up and interlace the fingers of the right hand with the left. And breathe. Exhale, unroll from that. And you can either be complete with the practice for the day, or you can also lay down in Shavasana and relax the body for 5 or 10 minutes. Thank you for joining. Namaste.
Thank you for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, or share with a friend. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and keep in touch on social media. For more information on private yoga instruction in your home or office, and for premium yoga video courses, please visit our website in the description below. See you next time.